Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Power Query in Excel. Power Query is a powerful, built-in tool that helps you import, clean, and transform data from various sources. It's perfect for preparing your data for analysis and reporting, saving you significant time and effort. You can connect to almost any data source imaginable, from simple Excel files to complex databases and web services. To begin, navigate to the Data tab in Excel and look for the Get and Transform Data group. Click on Get Data to reveal a wide range of connection options. You can import information from an Excel workbook, a CSV file, a database, or even directly from the web. Select your source and follow the prompts to establish the connection. Once your data is connected, the Power Query editor window will open. This is where the magic happens. You can perform numerous transformations, such as removing unnecessary columns, filtering out specific rows, or changing data types. You can also merge different queries together, similar to a database join, or append them to stack data on top of each other, creating a unified dataset. After you've finished transforming your data, simply click Close and Load to bring the clean data directly into an Excel worksheet. The best part is that all your transformation steps are saved within the query. This means you can easily refresh your data with a single click whenever the source data changes, ensuring your reports are always up to date without manual rework.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.